Yo, what's up my guys? It's your boy the Inspired Alpha and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be telling you about 5 things that turn off women instantly. I am telling you from experience. I was the king of simps. Man, I remember those days and I'm like, and I know you might be going through the same thing. So guys, number 1, being needy. Now, most of you guys don't realize that you're giving off needy vibe. So let's look at what is being needy. Number 1, being needy is constantly looking for validation constantly looking for validation from the woman. Constantly just you want her to be with you all the time. You want to know where she is all the time, who she's hanging out with all the time. Like, you have no life apart from the woman. Like that, and it comes subconsciously when you think that you're trying to be protective or whatever. That comes out as being needy, and it signals to women that, man, this guy can't get any other bitches, so why am I with him? Why is she with you? Guys, maybe she's using you, but being needy is one sure bet way of turning off women instantly. She's like dry as a desert. When you start being needy, her coochie dries like the Sahara Desert. Number 2, being insecure. This comes off when you are jealous, when you are always trying to know where she is, who she's with. Like, you are not confident in yourself that she can go anywhere and you will still be the best option she can get. Ask yourself, are you the best option she can get? If you're not the best option, don't sit and complain. Make yourself the best option. But I am telling you, being insecure, especially around other men, that is so unattractive to women. Like, and she will test you. I remember this one time, this chick came to my place, and then we happened to visit a friend of mine. And when we had a good time and we went back to my place, she told me that my friend was hitting on her. And I remember I was really angry and emotional. And man, like, she was testing me to see how secure am I with my friend. Guys, at that point, I did not understand female nature or how to deal with women. I was just another guy conditioned by the society to be a good guy, and whatever the crap that you are doing right now. But I'm telling you, women will test you to see how confident are you in yourself. And I failed miserably. I failed with my feet up. But it's times like those that you learn. But guys, you have to make sure that you are confident in yourself. You are the best she can have. Whatever comes, you are not. You are not even. You don't care. Because I'm the best you can have. And if I'm not the best, if you move on, I move on, because I know there are women out there who can't wait to be with me. Number 3, guys, being a pushover. And this, guys, women do not like guys who are pushovers. Women don't like guys that they can push around. I remember back in my days, I used to do whatever the woman would tell me, because in my mind I would think, if I do things right, then I am going to raise the attraction. But what happened is she will lose respect for me. And that is what I know what that is what you're doing right now. Guys, you do what is right to you. You do what you feel like, this is what I'm supposed to do as a man, as me, as my principles direct me. This is what I'm supposed to do. Whether she will like it or not, it's my life, you're in my life. It's either you come and compromise with my standards or you move on. But being a pushover, being the guy that she can walk all over, she can do anything, you are the guy, you are her doormat. I am telling you, she will lose respect for you and she will get turned off immediately. Ask yourself, why do women love gangsters? It's because they are assertive. They don't give a fuck, and they don't give a shit what the woman thinks. It's either my way or the highway. Simple. Number 4, guys, over pedestalizing a woman or over complimenting her, validating her. Guys, these women, they have orbiters around them, and their work is to validate them, make the women feel good. Your job is to make yourself feel good. The woman, her job is to make you feel even better. But the roles have changed. You guys are the ones that are making these women feel like they own the world. They are so delusioned, or you are distorting their reality. Guys, if there's anything that dries up a woman coochie faster, is over complimenting her. Guys, if you treat women like celebrities, they will treat you as fans. And there is no way a celebrity is going to, just give up his or her value to a fan. Guys, you have to behave like a celebrity. Let her treat you like a celebrity. But over complimenting her, you are validating her. You are lowering your value. If you and I keep on telling you guys, women date upwards. If a woman does not feel like you are above her, she's going to disrespect you. She's going to treat you like a little boy. You have to be able to convey that vibe that I am above you. You are lucky to even talk to me. Why should I even bother giving you my attention? I have plenty of women to give attention to. Why should I give it to you? But you guys out here, you are constantly validating these women, giving them all your attention, all your time, and they come to complain to you about the guys that they are sleeping with, who are not giving them any attention. Guys, there are two categories. You are either banging these chicks, or you are either being their therapist. So over complimenting and over just doing the nice guy shit, that dries up women. You will never hit it. You'll never hit it, I'm telling you. Or you'll hit it because she has pity on you, or she's dead. Last but not the least, having no options. When you have no options, you have a scarcity mindset, and you give a lot of attention to women, to one woman, and she thinks that she's the best you can have. Guys, having options gives you an abundance mindset, gives you that mindset of if she leaves, I still have I still have somewhere. I still got house. I still have these beaches. You have to have that abundance mindset. Even if you don't have women right now in your life, imagine yourself in the future as that guy, because you are working towards being that guy. And if you are not, if you have that neediness, that scarcity mindset, women pick up on these things. Just by looking at you, they will know this guy gets, women want this guy, women don't want this guy. By the way you act, by the way you behave, because your mind controls your body. Whatever it is you're feeling inside, it's what will be conveyed by your body outside. So having that neediness or scarcity mindset, that turns off women immediately. They will start to look for the guy that other women are looking at. If no women, let me give you a scenario. You enter a room. Two guys enter a room. One guy, all the women are looking at him. They are giving him choosing signals. The other guy, no one is looking at him. Ask yourself, which guy is more likely to turn on any woman that he talks to in that room? Is it the guy that is receiving the attention or not? When you have a scarcity mindset, you become the guy that is not receiving any attention. You're like, you're a peasant and the other guy is a king. So guys, those are the 5 things that turn off women immediately. See you in the next video. Peace out.